Hi, I'm here today at the Ranches Primary School and I'm with Year 3 and we have done sessions with them regarding our new book, My Magical Tree. So thank you guys for talking to me today. So tell me, what did you love about our wellbeing session with our new book, My Magical Tree? Because I know you remembered My Magical Garden, correct? Now we're doing My Magical Tree. So what did you enjoy about the session and the book? What did you love about the book?
What I liked about the book is when we were doing it, we could imagine our tree, and what I liked about the session is it was kind of relaxing and yeah.
You felt calmer after doing the session?
Yeah.
And how were you when you were doing the session?
I felt more calm.
More calmer. And what did you like about the new book, My Magical Tree?
I like that you could choose what happens when and how.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Anything else? How was you feeling emotionally? Did you get the book
No.
afterwards? Or you got to get the book then, yeah?
Yeah.
So you continue it. And what did you love about the session and the book?
I liked because it's very calm and peaceful afterwards.
You felt calm and peaceful afterwards.
Yeah. And it's nice to imagine it in your head.
Nice to imagine in your head. Did it stay in your head? Has it stayed? Because I saw that you've decorated your entire classroom, right?
Yeah.
With the new magical tree. That's lovely. And what did you love about the session and the My Magical Tree book?
Well, I liked that you made we could imagine how we want our tree, and I especially liked when we could choose our door, because I was really sleepy and I wanted just nobody to come in.
Oh, so when you went through your door, you needed that session to really recharge yourself because you were really sleepy?
Yeah, I was this much to falling asleep because I'm trying to wake up at earlier times because school starts
so early. And how did you feel at the end of the session though, right at the end of the session?
Well, I felt relaxed and I nearly fell off the stairs because I was so sleepy.
Oh, okay, so it really made you very much relaxed. Okay, so you all loved My Magic Tree. What was your favourite page?
My favourite page? It might have been the very last page.
Oh, outside the tree. What would you do outside the tree? And what was your favourite page?
It was the first one, what goes around the tree.
Oh, okay. And yours? What was your favourite page?
The doors.
The doors.
Same.
The doors.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you guys. It was lovely to talk to me, and so glad you enjoyed the session. So glad you all felt very relaxed, because it can get very stressful in school, and you all had a great time. And thank you for your feedback on our new book, My Magical Tree. Thank you.